sad day. I feel like someone's just say some words before.
You're my boy, Blue!
It's just a sad day. I don't like being a car killer at all.
No, and especially when something's so straight. There are reasons we're killing this one. Well, I think
it is straight. Look at that. There's not a ding on this thing. Not a door ding or a spot of rust. It's a shame. But yep, this is probably gonna be a boring video actually, but at least it's something exciting.
yeah. Well, I mean, like if you like seeing people get taken apart, you might get enjoyment out of this one. It's kind of the same process, like something really nice being
remove its heart and feet. But yeah, we're gonna pull this thing out. It's got kind of the crappy fuel injection, but it runs good.
Yeah.
So I kind of was gonna put a carburetor on it, but we're gonna try to make the fuel injection work on that old truck.
We always are fuel injection positive.
Yeah, for sure.
You'll see in the next video with this, but
yeah, hopefully soon.
Nice, simple. We're gonna go through the process. You know, quick, easy video.
Pull the motor in the tranny, because the tranny's gonna go, hopefully go in our tow truck.
Yeah, we said
we're not sure yet. It's the wrong tranny, but it should work.
We've done our little bit of research. It says a lot of people say yes, so we're gonna go with that.
Yeah.
That's
more than we ever do, anyways. If anybody needs any Suburban body parts,
yeah, or random, maybe some interior we might have left over.
Yeah, it's got a weird interior because it's like a conversion van. It's a travel quest.
Yeah,
it's full of crap right now, but it is cool interior. I feel like we're half done now.
Half accomplished?
Yeah.
Alright, Heath.
What?
You're unhooking things up here. I'm going to go do the Driveline.
Yeah, I got a battery out. That's pretty fun. I feel like I'm like really rusty. I haven't worked on anything for a while. I guess this is probably full of coolant.
Oh, probably.
You know, like on my other car. It's a mix for sure of something. And it's an old American car, so you know there's probably no drain plug on it. Oh, there is. Alright.
I'm still at that part of the job where I'm being nice and easy on stuff.
Spacecraft stuff in here. Good.
Hammer or pry bar next time you feel. And that coolant's getting kind of close.
The coolant thing, what? There's only like this much in here, so I don't know what's going on.
The bucket has a leak. I see it from the
Oh, that bucket has a leak. I feel like that's why this was outside and why it was empty. Oh man. Well, that's a good start, you know. Okay, well we have kitty litter.
It's only right where that exhaust clamp is too.
There, now this bucket can replace that bucket.
Driveline is completely out.
Nice, nice. Radiator's getting there. I know, I can't believe that bucket had a hole in it.
Hey, it broke free, one did.
Oh, the exhaust?
Yeah.
That's good. I wonder if the air conditioning has anything in it. It's like, I kind of hope it does, so we know it'll work. And then I kind of hope it doesn't. It has a faint noise in the air conditioning. So it's empty. Okay, back to what I was doing.
Alright, the exhaust clamp is fully loose. So just shake it there.
Can you jiggle the exhaust back or anything?
Alright, well looks like she moves a little bit.
We'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Yeah. Do you want me to put the tranny on a jack?
Yeah, we probably could, and then remove it, mount and cross over and everything.
Yeah.
It'd be nice if we were just trying to rip this out of here without being gentle.
Yeah. Why do they have to make the cross members so bolted in?
I know some of them are insane. Shroud. This is the bolt that goes in. Okay. Air conditioner is off.
Cross members out.
Alright, power steering is disconnected and pouring on the floor. Whose idea was this? Let's put this back together.
Oh, wait, it's too far now. I already did the Driveline. You ready to the motor mounts yet?
Yeah, I mean, it could be on this side. I had a few things off. That power steering fluid stinks.
Working.
Yeah. I wonder if that power steering pump is going to be strong enough to run with those brakes and stuff. Will she?
We're getting kind of close to the leverage parts, though.
Yeah, we are.
All right, speedo cable is off and not leaking.
That's good. Booster is disconnected.
All right, Driveline removed.
Yeah.
Drain fluids.
Wait, there's some fluids drained. I'm just working on where these wires go down there somewhere, then the engine wiring should be pretty much off.
Okay.
Minus the distributor and the coil bank.
And then motor mounts and some way to attach this engine onto
Yeah,
a chain.
there's a thing here. Oh, let's see how many things we missed.
It's always the funnest part.
I didn't put my heart and soul into this removal here. That's working. Right in the alley right there. Got it.
I can tell.
It's heavy too.
It's going?
Yeah. This side's definitely not. That side does.
Yeah, it's almost all the way. God, I just need a smidgen. That thing will pop up.
You know this the valve stems out.
What?
Take the valve stems out.
I might actually.
Let it do it itself. This thing's super low. It's a fuel fighter.
But we're pretty much out now.
Just a couple dumb things, I'm sure. All this. It goes to the
flux capacitor. We're not time traveling, so what? You know, you're supposed to take all that stuff off. That's why they talk about deleting. You can't delete your time control. Alright, I think that was it.
fill lines are down dangling right here. Keep jacking and yanking. Yeah, that's moving her.
Well, something changed.
It was me. Why is this going easy now? Don't fall into your place. We're out. Thank you. Boom. Ah! do.
I was gonna say most pull that truck out, but I'm gonna call that a day.